Hey, what's up? Y'all know what to do. This your boy, CBA. We finna get ready to get this thing started. Finna put these trusses up here, baby. Y'all know what to do. Like, share, and comment. We finna do this thing. Hey, what's up? This your boy, CBA. They getting ready to drop them trusses. Here you go. Finna let them come down. Finna drop them. Hey, what's up? This your boy, CBA. This your boy, inside of this thing now. We putting up these walls. Drop these motherfuckers. Y'all tell me what y'all think. We started. You know what I'm saying? This is the master suite here. Right now, what we're looking at. The master suite. I'm right here in the bedroom. We done hung those walls up. Watch it right here. Watch it work. Now, bam. From the bedroom, we're headed to the master suite bathroom. Y'all see it? How them walls look up there? Check out everything. Huh? See what's popping. Check them out. We just getting started. We've only just begun. Y'all know what I'm saying? Look at that. Straight as an arrow down that line. Look at that frame of work. Me and my boy, Abel. You know what I'm saying? We on it. Drop these trusses. This weekend gonna be us. Trusses will be here tomorrow, so it'll be bam. Trusses up. Framing the inside. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Y'all check it out from a distance. Tell me what y'all like out there. Share, y'all put them comments down on that thing. Let us know we doing our thing. Here we go, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Got everything cleaned up after we finished the job yesterday. Job site looking good. Check them walls out. Straight as arrow, baby. Headset. That's how we doing it. So, somebody gonna want one. When it's finished, all you gotta do is let us know. Get that credit right. Gotta show you getting that credit right. Gotta stay on that credit. You know what I'm saying? Thank the Lord. Had them W-2 forms, and you know, we can build you one. But y'all, you know, that's gonna conclude that. But y'all gonna see the rest of it. We got a lot of work in here to do, but it's coming. We finna jump on this thing this weekend. You know what I'm saying? We trying to be out of here on my birthday. You know, that's gonna conclude that. Y'all let me know. Pop it up. Like, share, write them comments down. Look at it. Pop it up, pop it up. Y'all see that butt down there? Gonna be a homeowner. First one. Gonna lay her down. I'm loving every minute of it. All right, y'all. This your boy CBA. Peace. Hey, this your boy CBA. Gonna set these trusses, baby. Got the crane out here. Y'all see it? Up, 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 and away, baby. First truss will be set. 1440. Sunset.
Yeah, it's coming tomorrow afternoon. Oh, nice.
Mark. Get set. Go. I'm gonna go get my other thing. Bam, bam. Thank you, man. I'm gonna go get the other one. I got a three-way. My boys up there putting it down. This your boy CBA. Got Kyle and Paco putting up trusses in, baby. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Got the crane out here, baby. Picking them up. Crane out here picking these trusses up.
You're right, yeah. Yeah, right there. Right there. You can shoot them there. You shoot them right there.
Yeah. Got my boy Kyle up there. Y'all see it? This CBA, we putting them things up there. They got them things flying high, baby. Sky high. They coming up. They flying high, baby. They picking them up. The trusses. They winging through the air, man. Some big boys there, bro. Some big boys coming out. I ain't playing no game with them. We so high, we flying through the air, flying through the air. We so high, flying through the air. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy CBA. I got my boy Rafael De La Pena up there. They're putting that thing down. I got my boy Kyle over there to the left. Boy doing their thing, bro. This CBA building, y'all see it. They doing a wonderful job. They're my boy. Yeah, don't let them know that. I ain't telling them that. They won't hire you. Don't got to tell them your business. That motherfucker, that look good. They putting it down. This the team here, baby. You see it. Trusses, decking trusses up in the day. Doing it all, y'all. This CBA. This is what we doing. Over here. That's my boy. That's my boy over here. Pocket. That's my boy. He all right. He just, I don't know what's wrong with him. He tripping. Yeah. But it's coming together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got about 8 more to hang, baby. We got about 8 more to hang. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? About 8 more to hang. We doing our thing. 8 more to hang. There they go. Up, 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 and away. There she is. Touch what I never seen before. Woke up and seen the truss sky high. I've been in it for the last few days. She's coming on in for the landing. Look at her. Ooh. Come on, baby. Drop that thing. You gonna drop it in there. You gonna drop it on point. Bam. Look at it. Coming on down. She dropping that thing right on in there. Putting it right on in there. It's coming down. Here comes the landing. All right, y'all. I got to get back to work. I'm going to holler back at you. Y'all know it is CBA. Hey, what's up? What's up, y'all? This your boy, CBA. Y'all know what to do. Share. Like. Comment. Today's video, y'all will see. We put them trusses up. Check it out. Put them trusses up, baby. We almost got it. Got a little bit more to go. We'll finish that thing off tomorrow, but we had the crane here today, so, you know, it looks good to me. I mean, y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta finish a couple more partial ones that we missed, but we'll get them. Throw them on in there tomorrow. But basically, we got 75% of the job done today with the crane. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all. Thanks for watching the video today. Y'all know, hit like, subscribe, and comments. And peace out. And remember, stay focused!